I'm sure you have seen this error that Instagram doesn't let you follow any more people. Today, I'm going to tell you why this might be happening and how you can fix it. Let's say I open my Instagram and just search something like this. And then I follow everyone who pops up. If I follow too many people in a row, Instagram will stop me from following more people that day because they think maybe I'm spamming or it is like an unusual activity. That is why Instagram temporarily stops you from following people until the next day. But sometimes that's not the only problem. For example, here, as you can see, I have more than 2,000 followings. If you have more than 7,500 followings, Instagram will not allow you to follow any more people unless you unfollow some of them. There's also one more thing that might be stopping you from following more people. If you haven't followed a lot of people, but still Instagram doesn't let you follow more people, maybe your Instagram has been hacked. So if you search on Google, Instagram hacked, and we can see what pops up. So it says my Instagram was hacked. Here you can type in your username, phone number, or email, and that lets Instagram know which account has been having troubles. And you can explain to them maybe you've been hacked because you can't follow any more people on Instagram, and probably will help you. Hope you can get rid of all restrictions on your account and make sure to subscribe for more.